Absolutely. A very lackluster day coming, at the start of the week. But another stock that is in focus is Tata Technologies, that is set to acquire Germany's ES-Tec group in a deal worth 75 million euros. Now, this move aims to boost next-generation mobility solutions and strengthen the company's engineering, research and development capabilities. In fact, the company says that it continues to explore strategic inorganic opportunities as well. As we can see, the stock is up nearly 1.5% right now on the back of this acquisition news. To discuss this further, let's go to Warren Harris, who's the CEO and MD at Tata Tech. Hi, Warren. Very good morning. Let's get started to talk about this acquisition that is going to come. Any specific gaps do you think that it's going to fill in the Tata Tech portfolio?
Well, one, we're very excited about the acquisition of ES-Tec for a number of key reasons. One, it really accelerates our progress in the software-defined vehicle space within the automotive vertical that is our largest vertical. ES-Tec have tremendous depth in domains like ADAS and comfort electronics and e-mobility, and we think that that's a great complement to the capabilities that we have developed in and around AutoSAR and e-powertrain. We also think that ES-Tec's going to provide us with a nexus in Germany that will further reinforce our commitment to that region. You may remember last year that we announced the joint venture with BMW. That relationship continues to go from strength to strength. ES-Tec is based in Wolfsburg, so it gives us proximity to VW, and it really reinforces the platform from which we expect to grow in that region. So we're very, very excited about the opportunity to bring ES-Tec into the Tata Group family, and very much looking forward to the synergies between both our organizations.
Right. Also, how soon do you expect meaningful revenue contribution from the ES-Tec? Will the margins be impacted in the near term?
You know what? Yes. One of the things that we were attracted to when we looked at ES-Tec was the fact that not only have they been exceeding the industry growth rates, not just in Germany but globally, but they've also supported margins that are in the upper 28-29%. So this acquisition will be accretive both from a margin and an EPS perspective from day one. We received approval from the Tata Technologies board on Saturday evening. We made the announcement to the stock exchange late on Saturday night. We have regulatory approval that we need to secure in a couple of countries. That is likely to take about 2 months, and so we expect a contribution from ES-Tec in the December timeframe.
All right. You were just talking about how you're really committed to the German market, but it's a very competitive one, right? So what is Tata Tech's edge in winning this new OEM in that region post the acquisition?
Well, I think Germany is a very mature automotive market, but I think one of the things that the German OEMs are grappling with is the competition from China, and because of the competition that they are mobilizing a response to, they're having to look globally for the type of capabilities that will need to underpin the investments that they make in products. And we've seen that with BMW, who have come to India at scale, and again we were the successful partner of BMW to enable that. We expect the same plan to be followed by the likes of VW, and we want to position ourselves in the right way strategically to be able to partner with them and to make a contribution to their future plans.
Right. Mr. Harris, also, how will you co-fund this acquisition?
We are expecting to fund the acquisition through a combination of cash that we have on the balance sheet and debt that we will raise. There are a number of scenarios that we're running at the moment, and we'll make a final decision closer to the close of the transaction.
All right. Warren, let's also talk about your workforce. How are you looking to integrate ES-Tec's 300 plus workforce with Tata Tech's existing team while also preserving their expertise there?
Well, I think first and foremost, because the organization is a very well-run organization, and again, because they have been supporting industry growth rates that exceed their peer group. I think one of the first priorities is to protect that and to ensure that that is not compromised. And so I think in the first 12 to 18 months, we will keep ES-Tec somewhat independent, but we will mobilize teams from both Tata Technologies and ES-Tec to pursue the synergies that we believe are available to both organizations. We think we have a very relevant portfolio of services that we can deliver to the ES-Tec customers, and we certainly have identified opportunities within our customer base to leverage the capabilities that ES-Tec have in Germany, but also in Morocco. They have a nearshore capability, about 40 to 50 people that they have located in Morocco. And not only do we think that that's a region and a team that we can leverage globally, but specifically we think that that has relevance as far as our customers in France are concerned, given the language skills of Moroccan nationals. And so again, we're looking at this both in terms of specific skills and capabilities in automotive, but we're also looking at leveraging the platforms of both organizations to accelerate progress that we're looking to make across the entire portfolio of customers that both companies are supporting.
Right. Mr. Harris, also it has some performance-linked payouts. What does that mean? Any key milestones that are set for it? How confident are you of achieving them?
Well, we're very confident of achieving the milestones, and the ES-Tec team have signed up to the business plan that we've jointly agreed. So I think both leadership teams are committed to ensuring that growth and the preservation of margins, the business plan will be discharged. We're looking at a 2-year earnout. And again, the majority of that will be linked to the business plan that we've committed to.
All right. Warren, apart from this, are you looking at any other inorganic opportunities as well?
I think that this will be the first of a number of acquisitions that we undertake. If you look at the global ER&D market, it's a large market, $2 trillion. In size. If you look at the addressable space for engineering service providers like ourselves, it's about $200 billion. There's no one organization that has more than about 1 or 2% of that market. So it's a market that's fragmented. It's ripe for consolidation, and we have a very strong balance sheet and strong financials, and therefore we have a great opportunity to lead some of that consolidation. So we're committed to growing our business organically, but we're also committed to identifying assets that will help us progress both geographically and in terms of capability.
All right, Mr. Harris, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us.